Fuck. Hello and welcome to the very first episode of this particular podcast. And this is the first in a series of amazing content which we are going to bring to you. And it'll be about fitness, nutrition, and everything in between. And more than that, to be honest, because I feel that we as people are interested. I don't care what anybody else thinks.
हमें ज्ञान देने की आदत है तो ले लो थोड़ा
हमें 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 ज्ञान बहुत बांटने की आदत है. And the issue was that we used to talk on calls like hours and hours. We didn't had, and at some point I was like, I feel we need to record this. we should start recording our calls.
Yeah, we had some really interesting discussions. 2 घंटे के कॉल पे हमने काफी लेंथ में काफी चीजें डिस्कस की.
Yeah.
फिटनेस, इनफैक्ट न्यूट्रिशन, aspartame, you name it and we have spoken about it.
Yeah.
Right?
And just life in general too, because Pratik has some really good advice to give. I have really shitty advice that people can laugh at, so that would be fun to watch. In any case, so a little bit of an introduction about me. I am Mansha Jaiswal.
I am Pratik. I am a 9 to 5 guy. I wouldn't say 9 to 5, probably 9 to 9 guy. but yeah, I'm a product manager in an MNC. I'm an IT person. I also carry a lot of interest in fitness, nutrition. I talk about it. I like talking about it. I like advising people because I think everybody deserves to know how to do it in the most optimized manner without hampering their lifestyle and their routine. What are we talking about today?
So today we have a very special episode planned that is directly related to something that you are currently doing, which is the Hard Day Challenge that was supposedly for 90 days, and it somehow extended to 135 days if I'm not wrong, and counting. And so we'll talk a little about that. Since you're a corporate guy, you have your own life, right? You have to manage everything, your work, meetings, falana himkana, and you're married. So how do you manage your personal life, that as well as the gym? So we'll talk about that because I feel it's a topic which is hyped up a lot, but कोई actual solution नहीं देता है इस चीज का.
Yeah. Great question. So I would want to start with the fact that any and every challenge that trends online, ये सब fads हैं. सबसे पहली चीज तो क्योंकि जो लोग डेली ये कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, everybody who is creating the same thing again and again for a continued time period requires a dedicated time for it.
Yeah.
Right? So you have to understand that it is their full-time job. We, on the other hand, may or may not have the same lifestyle. We may not be doing the same things that they are. We may not be doing things as glamorous as most of the people who are following these fads and trends may be. Their priorities may be different. The way they're leading their life may be different. The way they can afford things may be different. Where do we fit in? We usually get jealous or motivated, and then we follow something. And eventually get demotivated if we don't find certain results as an outcome.
Yeah.
तो करना क्या है उस पे हम आते हैं, बट मैंने क्या किया और मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है हार्ड चैलेंज का, उस पे बात करते हैं. मेरे हिसाब से हार्ड चैलेंज इज द गेम ऑफ माइंडसेट. इट्स हाउ रेजिलिएंट यू आर to show up at a certain place, do a same damn thing every day, irrespective of what is happening around, irrespective of which situation you are in, irrespective of how your body is feeling, irrespective of how your day looks like. It may be the most busy day, but if you can squeeze in that 30 minutes of workout, that's a win for me. That's how I see it. A hard challenge comes with boundaries, and boundaries are something that you define. आपको वो दायरा तय करना पड़ेगा कि आपके लिए hard challenge क्या है. हर किसी की definition अलग है. I cannot eat broccoli, meat,
24/7
paneer every day. I cannot do that. Nobody needs to. आपकी boundary क्या है? आपको अपनी boundary define करनी पड़ेगी. What works for you is something that will make you stick to a routine.
Yeah.
Right? Otherwise you'll lose it. I will lose it for that matter. Right? So it started as a time boxed goal and a mission. In 90 days, I have to do a certain amount of fat loss. It is very technical and nuance is there. Now, can you lose fat selectively? No. उस पे हम बाद में बात करेंगे. ठीक है? We'll talk about it some other day. But for now, the fact that this was the goal, I wanted to look a certain way, and I had that vision in my head because I've been there at some point. But for me, at that point when I started it, I was like, okay, things are in a routine, things are set in a way. I know my time, I know amount of work I have to do in a day. I know how much time it would take to do something, and I can do it. At least for 3 months is what I plan to. Now, why exactly 3 months, right? Why not for a year? Why not for 1 month maybe? The fact that 3 months is a good enough time for your body to show changes and not big enough time for you to slack is why 3 months is an optimal time period. At least that's my understanding. तो 3 महीने में गोल तो इतना ही था कि भाई ये चीज करनी है, डेली करनी है और इतने बजे करनी है. तो चाहे दिन हो, चाहे रात हो, चाहे उठने का मन करे, चाहे ना करे, चाहे बारिश हो रही हो, चाहे धूप हो रही हो, जाना है तो जाना. बस एक गोल था. Now, office for me is pivotal because that is my bread and butter. That is what brings me and allows me to do all that I do in my day. That cannot go away. So my 2 pivots of the day that my entire routine surrounded around was my office and my gym. And of course, I tried to fit in everything around it. सबके पास.
No, you're married. ठीक है. Let's bring in that aspect as well.
Yes, I am married. Now, thankfully, my partner is understanding enough to be able to help me with the things that I don't need to worry about. Had she not been that person, it would have been very tricky. The goal only was to finish what I started, look a certain way. She was supportive of it, and she did all that she could in her might to get me to that place. I tried all that was in my might to get to that place. That's all I did for the past 135 days now.
On that note, I want to ask another question which is related to what you just said. Number 1, what you said was कि चाहे आंधी आए, तूफान आए, बारिश हो या नहीं हो, कुछ भी चल रहा हो, करना है तो करना. This is a form of mental resilience in a way कि you have set a priority and you are going to show up no matter what. Now, the thing with a lot of people who are in the same boat as you, meaning corporate, married, they might have kids as well, right? So what could they do if it's not a priority for them? How they can devote a certain extra time? Because देखो, at the end of the day, priority अगर नहीं बनाओगे तो नहीं कर पाओगे. What do you feel कि they can do to devote some extra time to make it into something of a priority? Like at least अगर first पे नहीं है तो top 5 में तो आना चाहिए.
I agree. So, okay, great question. And I think it's for the people who have a lot on their plate in the day. हो सकता है किसी के ailing parents हो सकता है किसी को बच्चों का ख्याल रखना होता हो. तो आप डेली नहीं जा सकते, आप alternate day जा सकते हो. आप alternate day नहीं जा सकते, आप Saturday Sunday जा सकते हो, राइट? आपको हफ्ते में 2 दिन तो ऐसे मिलेंगे, या एटलीस्ट 1 दिन तो ऐसा मिलेगा जब आपके पास अपने लिए आधा घंटा या 1 घंटा होगा. और अगर आप वो नहीं निकाल रहे हो तो आज नहीं तो कल निकालना पड़ेगा. You either pay the farmer how you pay the pharmacist. Choice is yours, right? Uh, if you don't make your health a priority now, your body will make you make it a priority. And there are people dependent on you. You ought to be stepping up your game. You ought to be in the best shape or the healthiest form that you can be in order to help other people. Right? So, yes, a lot of people might feel that I come from a space of privilege, that I don't have a lot of things to handle, in terms of my time. But each and every person has their own struggle. Each and every person has their own things to handle.
Yeah.
If you can't squeeze in time to go travel to a gym, come back from a gym, you might as well find ways to work out at home. You can set up a home gym. If you don't have money for it, you can always buy resistance bands. There are several body weight workouts that you can,
Easily.
It's about the intent. It's about how you're eating. It's about the kind of food you prefer eating, given the time constraints you have. You may not even have enough time to cook, but you may have enough time to grab an apple. You may have enough time to get a banana and eat it during the day.
Yeah.
Right? You can. Oats barely take 5 minutes. Find recipes which are good. Maybe.
So basically, what you are saying is that it is more about forming habits that you can continue to engage in day after day after day, rather than forcing yourself to do certain things that is not going to work for you, but have work for other people. So you just copy that or try it.
आपको मजा आना चाहिए. Whatever you're doing, you should find joy in doing that.
Yeah.
And that will only happen if you know what your why is. Anything that you do in this life, if you do not have a why, am I doing this, then you are likely to not stick to it. Most likely.
I don't know why I'm living, but I'm...
You will find out your reasons, I'm sure.
We'll reserve this particular discussion for another time. But coming to the topic of money, do you think money is a crucial factor for everything to fall into place in terms of making your fitness and lifestyle or a priority?
Not everything, but a lot of things, I would say. Yes, money gives you time. The leverage that most people don't understand is money brings a time leverage. You can trade anything for the services that you can pay for, right? For me, time is like, since I have less time in the day, I tend to pay for things that bring me more time. Whether it's having a car to travel, whether it's paying some money to get some good food from outside, if that allows me, the supplements that I can afford, the gym that I can go to, how far or near that gym is for me, all that requires you to have certain amount of money. I also understand कि सबके पास वो privilege नहीं होगा, right? Not everybody would have the same amount of time or money to be able to afford the lifestyle that I afford right now. What do you do? I was not at this place where I am at some point, right? I also started somewhere. We all begin somewhere. तो क्या उस समय मैं नहीं करता था? मुझे 12 साल हो गए करते हुए. It's been 12 years that I've been doing the same thing. I have evolved over time, yes. I have started adopting certain things over time, yes. The quality of food that I eat has improved over time, yes. But I was not always at the same place, right? I had to manage with whatever I had at some point, the resources that I had at that point. आप वे प्रोटीन अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो, आप अंडा अफोर्ड कर सकते हो. आप अंडा अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो, आप राजमा अफोर्ड कर सकते हो. आप राजमा तो हर इंसान अफोर्ड कर सकता है इस देश में. इस देश में खाना, वेजिटेरियन खाना मेरे हिसाब से हर इंसान अफोर्ड कर सकता है. अगर आप वो भी नहीं कर रहे हो तो then, and if you think that you do not have enough money to do that either, and I'm talking especially for the people who are students, right, in India, if you think you cannot afford a certain lifestyle, start finding ways to afford it, if it is a priority for you, right? As a student, you can find certain gigs. As a student, you can find certain ways to make money. In today's day of internet, in today's day of you having the luxury to sit in your room to be able to provide services, I do not buy that you cannot make money today. There is always one way or the other. If it may be less, but something will come through if you are dedicated enough, if you work on the skills that you want. आप एक स्टूडेंट हो, आप सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहे हो, आप पढ़ा सकते हो, राइट? आप अपने नोट्स शेयर कर सकते हो, आप रेज्यूमे सर्विसेज दे सकते हो, आप करियर काउंसलिंग कर सकते हो टू द किड्स who you think are not there yet, to the experiences that you have had which somebody else hasn't, right? We all start somewhere. None of us, like at least in India, you would find more underdog stories than anywhere else around the globe there exist. The fact that people don't want to leverage the skills that they have is a different topic of discussion, but there are ways you can afford a lifestyle. You may not be able to be at the top notch of it, but somewhere in the middle.
It's more rather than see, for athletes, at least in India, it becomes a very challenging view because हमने अभी ओलंपिक्स में देख लिया है कि कैसे ट्रीट किया जाता है. And I'm not talking about the Vinesh Phogat वाला situation. Regardless, even if you are an athlete, you still need to find a way to be able to make money. Protein sources, which again isn't cheap, right? मैं तो vegetarian हूँ, and so are you now, right? Another topic for another day. We'll get into the whole thing that how we manage our protein sources and all that. But what we typically do is just manage your calories. ठीक है? आप अपनी कैलोरीज खाओ. अगर आपको जैसे वजन कम करना है, पहले सबसे पहला तो लोगों का यही होता है, वजन घटाना है या वजन बढ़ाना है दोनों में से कोई एक चीज होगी. अगर आपको घटाना है, कैलोरीज कम. अगर आपको बढ़ाना है, कैलोरीज ऊपर. आई रियली डोंट थिंक कि चावल का दाम इतना ज्यादा है कि तुम दोनों में से एक चीज नहीं कर सकते. चावल नहीं तो आलू, आलू नहीं तो ये, नहीं तो वो. You will find so many options, and people do make excuses.
They do.
कि नहीं, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए.
Have you heard this statement? खाना नहीं छूटता.
Oh yeah. मेरे से भी नहीं छूटता. But the thing is that if I have to do it, like for a powerlifting competition, when I had to compete, I had to make weight, right? And it becomes really, really challenging to make weight for a powerlifting competition. And like you said, कि ये time box वाली चीज होती है. We also have to time box it because it becomes crucial at the end of a water cut and a gut cut that it is done progressively in the way that it should be. Otherwise, जो वेन के डे पर आपका अगर वेट उतना नहीं हुआ, अगेन विनेश फोगाट वाला, अगर आपका वेट थोड़ा सा ऊपर हुआ, there is no way they're going to. Exactly. So I had to do that. It's not easy, obviously, but it is part and parcel of being an athlete. Then you are competing in a sport which is weight restricted. ठीक है. So वहाँ पे motivation और drive अलग चीज हो जाती है. But for a regular person, it is a very different thing. You don't have the same motivation, you don't have the same drive. But like you said, you can still be able to do that by giving some sort of like priority to it. ये आपसे नहीं हो रहा हफ्ते में 7 दिन, कोई कह भी नहीं रहा आपसे हफ्ते में 7 दिन.
You don't have to. You don't have to. I think one thing that you didn't mention, और इसका बहुत high importance भी है, is getting a good coach, right? When you can pay for a tuition, when you can pay for a tuition, when you can pay for life coaches, when you can pay for doctors to get some guidance, when you can pay for yoga instructors, why can't you pay for a good coach who can help you? Why can't you pay for a nutritionist who can help you? Now, finding a good coach, that's a topic maybe we'll talk about sometime else. But the fact that, again, coaching requires money to be spent on it. But what it brings you is the time leverage. It brings you the time that you might lose in learning all of it on your own. Right? A coach will give you a good direction. You can do it for a few months. Once you have understood the game, you continue doing it. Right? A beginner coach would be very different to how an advanced level coach would be. So you keep coaches also. You'll have to keep changing coaches also, right? Some coaches will make you reach a certain pedestal and then you move on. Not every coach is supposed to take you where your end goal is. So understand the fact that coaching, yes, it charges money, but it gives you the time leverage and the knowledge that you may have to shuffle through and make several hours of mistake and time that you would have spent and lost rather in trying to self-explore.
Yeah, that is true. So people who cannot devote additional time to their own programming and how they should be listing out everything, ले लो भाई कोच, वो तुम्हारे लिए सारा काम करके रखेंगे and it would be like done for you in a way.
Of course.
You just have to follow it. You don't have to. आपको समझने की जरूरत नहीं है कि क्या फिजियोलॉजी या क्या एनाटॉमी का लॉजिक लगा इसके पीछे. You just have to follow what they are saying. But again, the due diligence on selecting that coach has to be done on your part.
बिल्कुल. जब हम सीए को पैसा दे सकते हैं तो एक फिटनेस कोच को क्यों नहीं दे सकते? मैं तो
सीए को पैसा नहीं देती.
No, there are people who are professionals for a certain reason. I can't manage my money. My CA can do it for me. Some people cannot handle their products. That's why they hire me to handle their products on their behalf. A CEO doesn't have to come down to handle each and every product, right? Which is why they hire people. Precisely the reason why you should hire people for the services that give you more time as a leverage.
Yeah. And one other thing that I wanted to ask you is when you said that because of certain situations, your wife had to like live in a separate city for some time, right? So as far as I remember, you had to like drive to and fro 8 hours one side and then the journey back. How are you able to manage? You could have easily said कि भाई मैं इतना ड्राइव किया है, मैं थका हुआ हूँ, मैं आज बिल्कुल फैल के सोने वाला हूँ, या फिर आज मैं बिल्कुल चाहूँगा 5-6 cheeseburgers or something like that.
Yeah. Well, ये बहुत important समझने वाली बात है कि मैं अपने शरीर को और अपनी बॉडी को समझ चुका हूँ. 12 साल में I've understood what works for me and what doesn't work for me. So my body gives signals which I can read properly, right? It can tell me that I need to crash. It can tell me that I cannot push more than this. And if I'm let's say using caffeine as a leverage, I'm borrowing energy practically from the next day. So I have to ensure that I've rested enough for the next day. तो अगर वो 8.5 घंटे का ड्यूरेशन मुझे पता है कि मुझे ड्राइव करना है और मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन हाई होने वाला है, so there is no way I can show up at a gym without sleeping. But how much is the adequate sleep? It's technically 8 hours, but do I have the leverage? Maybe not.
So it depends on you.
The next day.
Yeah.
It depends on you. आपके गोल पे डिपेंड करता है. जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बोला कि जो करना है सो करना है. अगर आपके दिमाग में वो चल रहा है कॉन्स्टेंटली, बैक ऑफ द हेड चल रहा है, तो आसपास की चीजें सब नॉइस है. एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू इज प्योर नॉइस. That's the vision you have, and then you get into the zone. Okay, hey, this is a time that would require me to be at a certain place. I have a certain gym which allows me to work out in a certain, across the cities. I use that as well to my advantage, and then none of that would get hampered. Now, assuming I didn't have that leverage of cross city gym also, there is a gym in the society. I carry my resistance band. I carry my jumping rope. That solves the purpose. That does the job for me.
Okay, that is fair. So what do you think happens when you don't know your body well. See, you have been doing it for a long, right? So you
Yep.
will be able to tell. But there are certain people who are like कि नहीं यार मेरे को थकान महसूस हो रही है, and they're not really tired, to be honest, right?
Yep.
And you can see that. You can for
Yep.
sure see that. कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं
Yep.
है.
Yep.
आपने अभी भर के प्लेट छोले भटूरे खाए, उसकी वजह से नींद आ रही है. ठीक है? It's not that you're tired. So
Yep.
how do you get out of the mental like vicious cycle, which is kind of like making your brain making excuses for you कि ना कर यार छोड़ ना चल कल कर ले.
देखो, human beings by default are lazy. You have to understand that.
Oh fuck yeah.
Anything that can make you lie on the bed, you would do it. There's a reason why people doom scroll. There's a reason why people order online. There's a reason why all these companies
You
are making
are-
a lot of money.
You are literally describing me to a T.
तो ये आपका बाय डिफॉल्ट नेचर है. इससे फाइट करने का सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है कि जब लगे कि ये नहीं हो सकता है, कोशिश एक बार और कोशिश करके देखो. जस्ट वंस. यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट टुमारो. जस्ट टुडे. Just focus on that very present. That okay, today I'm not feeling like doing it. Let me just give it one more shot. And trust me, you will be able to. All you have to do is show up in a gym. The environment will force you to do something. Even if that means you just stretch out your arms and you come back.
Well, the gym here definitely has an environment and this definitely forces me to do something.
I'm sure you understand the fact that whichever environment you are in, your brain kind of makes you do a certain thing. If I put you somewhere close to a mountain, you will feel like trekking. If I put you close to a river, I'm sure or
I
the
beg
ocean.
to differ. Fucking no.
If I add a reward to it, you may.
Depends on the reward.
Okay,
Depends on
let's
the
say I
reward.
offer you. Let's say I say that okay, once you do X amount of rounds in the swimming pool, you get a free pizza from me. I'm sure you will do it. You might.
I'll do it for 3 cheeseburger pizzas.
Alright, cool.
Cool. Done. I'll
Cool.
do
So-
3 lakhs for 3 pizzas.
Right.
Yeah, go
So
on.
what I was trying to say is we as kids, we are culturally brought up to figure out a reward system in our head. For me, that reward system is looking a certain way. For me, that reward system is being confident in my body. For me, that
Oh, yeah.
reward system is the health markers that I feel confident about, the movement that I'm being able to do throughout the day. For other people, that may be fitting into a certain shirt or a dress, or being able to eat a certain kind of food, right? So you find out that reward system that functions to make you do a certain activity again and again. That's the idea. Hard day challenges are hard for a reason because they take you away from all that dopamine, right?
Yeah.
They take you away from all that quick reward that you always seek. Now the boundaries, like I said, have to be defined. You can always do that. You can always keep one of the days of whatever hard days that you're doing to be a little slacky that day rather than being super hard on yourself, and
Yeah.
maybe reward it with a small ice cream. But you have to be cautious of the fact that you can't go all guns
All
out.
out.
All out, right? So as long as you can control that, it's fine. Since we are trying to form a habit, we try to go hard on ourselves in order to be able to understand that once we are out of it, what it brings as a reward.
Yeah. And I feel like I should explain myself a little bit because वो
Of course.
pizza वाली बात आई थी. So
Yeah.
I should also make it clear that going to a gym for me right now is not a priority. Has it been in the past? Yes. Have I competed? Yes. And when I was prepping to compete in the nationals, I was doing like 3-hour sessions on basically nothing. I was just having like a pre-workout thing. वो भी pre-workout नहीं था, by the way. It was just salt, creatine, and oh yeah, and just like a salt वाला जो fast enough था. So I used to work on that, and the reason I was able to make it through without eating was because I have a lot of mental energy to burn. I can fucking do it. ठीक है. Um, so it wasn't that big of a task for me to be able to do it. Obviously, after a certain period of time in a prep, uh, I was so exhausted, just so exhausted, that there were times when I cried between sets. But I was like, I started like tying my or wrapping my wrists while crying, while crying, and I was like, okay, time to do this again.
You chose this for yourself. Can't back out now.
Yeah, and I was like, at the time I was also being like, किस मनहूस घड़ी में मैंने कोच सेलेक्ट किया था भाई. But also shout out to the coach that I had at the time, Vedant. He used to be my rock throughout all of that. He used to be on a fucking call with me for like hour-long calls, just for me to just go to gym, just for me to be able to not miss a session, because I was like, fuck it, many jab.
The man has a lot of patience.
That man has a lot of patience, bro. If he can handle me as a client, and you know what I'm talking about, dude, that he deserves a fucking award of something, right? Also, I would like to mention, I fucking hate lifting.
Yeah.
And this is not a very this is not something you hear every day that comes from a person who is into lifting, right? But somebody some people who are close to me in the lifting community already know that, and you do too. But I'm just making it a common knowledge now. I don't like lifting at all. What I do like is the consequence of lifting. The health markers improving, the bone density improving, my muscle mass increasing, and the long-term effects that I'm going to have as a result of that. All of that is something which is a consequence of lifting or of resistance training, right? The whole act of resistance training or strength training, I fucking hate that. Every single second of that. But the consequence is what I'm after, so I do it regardless, whether or not I like it, right? Right now, I'm not into that because I'm just like कि थोड़ा सा buffer period में हूँ. So I'm taking my time off, and I keep doing that. I just take time off from lifting altogether. And now I just do. I'm just running, which also again I hate it.
But I mean, the idea is you understand the essence of doing some activity that can continue where you left and not make you extremely lethargic. Your health markers don't go terribly wrong in a way that it becomes difficult for you to come back again. Several factors, like I said, you just have to figure out what works for you and what your priority is at that point in time. You as a student, for you, going to the gym may not even be a possibility, right? Although yes, your university allows you to, go to a gym, but you may not even have time for it. So what else is a physical activity that you enjoy apart from running? If you hate running and lifting, both.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe that's not ideal for the first podcast to just tell everything. Honestly, right now that physical activity I'm having with Henry Cavill in mind.
Okay, fair enough. So for you especially, I have a question. So being a student, right? I'm sure there are limited constraints and budget that you would also have, whether it comes to eating, whether it comes to lifting as an activity. I know you're not an athlete at this point, but assuming you had to carry forward that entire same routine, and let's say even if you don't, how do you manage your food? Like, I'm sure there are a lot of students who might be listening to this as well, जिनके पास पैसे नहीं है खाने के, जिनके पास अच्छा खाने के पैसे नहीं है, प्रोटीन खाने के पैसे नहीं है, तो वो क्या करें? वो कहाँ से प्रोटीन पूरा करें? अंडा भी शायद महंगा हो उनके लिए।
See, मैं यूके में अभी फिलहाल के लिए I'm staying. Well, I'm currently in India, but I have to go back. So what I used to do was make sure that I have enough preparations done. Like if I'm making some food, अगर मैं कोई खाना बना रही हूँ, so I make sure I'm making it for 3 more days. And then I obviously took some containers, reusable containers, which I used to store them in, like portion wise, right? भाई आप राजमा की सब्जी और चावल या छोले की सब्जी या समथिंग व्हाटएवर इट इज यू कैन मेक इट पैक इट एंड अगर आपको कोई एडिशनल चीज रखनी है जैसे प्रोटीन वगैरह यू कैन डू दैट लाइक इन एन इंस्टेंट उसमें इतना टाइम नहीं लगता ना आपको इतनी एडिशनल मोटिवेशन चाहिए कि ये करना है और फिर आपको बर्तन भी तो अपने खुद ही धोने हैं बिकॉज अगेन वहां पर वो भी अवेलेबल नहीं है सो I try to make it less tedious of a task for me.
Right.
Okay. So, whenever I couldn't eat food या मेरा मन नहीं करता था खाना खाने का, दूध के साथ I used to make it into a fucking shake or something. So to increase the calories, add peanut butter, add whatever the fuck, right? To just increase the calories. So I made sure I got like a juicer grinder or something like that. तो मैं वहाँ banana shake with like a whey protein आराम से बन जाता है. So it also like taking into account कि आप अगर खा नहीं रहे तो आपकी कैलोरीज कहीं से आएंगी, right? It's obviously it's easier to drink than to eat.
That's true. That's true. And it's more portable also.
It is more portable. And that's what I used to do. अगर मेरी classes 5 बजे तक extended हैं, जो कि होती थी. So what I used to do was एक या 2 टिफिन पैक किया and I used to carry like a shaker जिसमें सिर्फ मैं whey protein डाल के ले जाती थी उसमें पानी वानी कुछ नहीं होता. Now the interesting part is कि अगर मुझे लगता था कि भाई I can't do this like कि मैं नहीं खा सकती so I used to be like कि ठीक है पानी मिल जाएगा मैं अभी वे प्रोटीन पी लेती हूँ बाद में मैं खा लूँ राइट सो आई हैड दैट ऑप्शन मेक श्योर दैट यू आर कैरिंग अ फ्रूट और 2 fruits or whatever it is so make sure you always have options which are easier to consume which are even if you don't want to eat or something which are basically helping you to not be behind on the calorie intake that you have. Right. So this is just what I was doing. लोगों का थोड़ा सा intent और approach different हो सकती है. Again, it's a very nuanced approach, like you said. So it is very individualistic, but again, it depends on the person how important it is to them.
Right. So though, like 2 things came out of this talk, which is first you have to have nutritional knowledge, basic न्यूट्रिशन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए आपकी राइट. सेकंड कुकिंग एज अ स्किल कम्स वेरी हैंडी. अगर आपको खाना बनाना ही नहीं आता है तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी राइट.
तो देन यू आर ऑलरेडी कंस्ट्रेंट बाय अ लॉट. एग्जैक्टली. आप आदमी हो औरत हो उससे यहाँ पे जेंडर रोल्स नहीं आएंगे. मैं सबसे कहती हूँ whoever has this view of life कि खाना बनाना औरतों का काम है या खाना मैं ही क्यों बनाऊं as a woman मुझे तो नहीं आता. Go live out, like go live abroad for a few on your own. आपका पूरा का पूरा लाइफ का वर्ल्ड आपका पूरा लाइफ और वर्ल्ड व्यू दोनों का दोनों बिल्कुल 360 डिग्री जो चेंज होगा ना you'll not believe right. So not only I used to do my own tasks right. मेरे roommates who are obviously dudes right they have to do it. Okay,
Yeah,
which
you're on
also
your own.
means,
You're on your own, basically.
yeah,
You're on
and
your
I
own.
have you also have to clean the fucking house. You also have to
Yep.
clean the fucking bathroom. You have to clean
Yep.
everything, not just your own
Yep.
room. You have to clean the shared living spaces as well, right?
Of
So
course.
you have to. It's kind of like वहाँ पे आप teamwork सीखना चालू कर देते हो without even being in a corporate setting.
Of course.
Especially if you don't like them,
Not very different in corporate either, but okay.
you find a way to work with people, right? At the end of the day.
Yes. Yep. Yep. Yep.
So I believe it's a life skill that comes in handy. Whether or not you like doing it, I fucking hate it. And then people are going to be like, भाई इसको ये नहीं पसंद, इसको ये नहीं पसंद, इसको ये नहीं पसंद, इसको पसंद क्या है? Trust me, मैं अपने आप से आज भी वही सवाल पूछती हूँ. मुझे भी नहीं पता उसका आंसर. ठीक है?
हाँ, मतलब बहुत, like I said, showing up every day may be difficult. There will be days that you'll be like, अरे यार आज पिक्चर देखना है, रात में जागने का मन कर रहा है. But तुम्हें पता है कि every action has a ripple effect for the next day or the next event that has to happen.
Yeah.
मैं अगर लेट जाग गया तो मेरी या तो नींद सैक्रिफाइस हो जाएगी या फिर मेरा खाने का प्रिपरेशन चला जाएगा. तो चॉइस मेरी है. We always have a choice to do what we want to do.
Yeah.
So what is important at that point is what will follow. It can happen for us. Time box period, it can happen for an increased duration depending on where you are with life and the priority that you have out there.
So what we took from this whole discussion is कि planning एक तो बहुत ज़रूरी aspect है इसका.
Yep.
So if things which are uncertain are happening, you still have to have some sort of control over other things so that you can manage your life better in that way.
Yep.
Secondly, अगर आपको पता है कि कोई event आ रहा है, try to make sure that you are able to plan ahead for that.
Yep.
तो या तो ये आपका travel plan हो सकता है for work or for personal reasons. And even if you don't have the motivation to work out, ठीक है, एक दो दिन में आपका कुछ वो नहीं होगा. But if you keep making it happen, like वो चीज आप excuse की तरह use करने लगते हो, then you are at loss. What is the third thing?
जितना मुश्किल है उतना आसान ही तोड़ना है उसको.
Exactly. And do you want to add that money factor?
Yeah, money. Oh yes, definitely. So money to me, and I think in this entire thing of you going to the gym, working out, looking a certain way, being able to afford supplements, to me is one of the primary things for this goal, especially because time is connected to money, right? When people say time is money, this is how I see time is money, because to be able to afford a supplement and not having to cook again and again gives me that time leverage.
Yeah.
And be able to complete that nutrition without having to worry कि क्या मैं इतना खा रहा हूँ या नहीं खा रहा हूँ.
Exactly.
तो वो that becomes a very important part. Yes, I'm not saying you spend all your money on supplements. You just find out the right balance of what is adequate, what is the utmost important nutritional supplements that can help you or aid to your goal of what you want to achieve. That's all you need to worry about. Everything else is a fad, everything else is noise. Try to learn a bit more, read a bit more, maybe figure out what works for you in order to maintain the health markers, like I said.
Yeah.
Fitness is not having a six-pack and roaming around. Fitness is not having to look a certain way. Fitness is having to feel good, right? Now some people may say, oh, I feel good without having to, lose so much weight. Sure. Have you ever gotten your health markers checked? Maybe start from there.
Yeah, I have, and they are fun. Jokes aside, I think you've brought up really, really good points, and I think this should actually help people who have a very busy lifestyle, right? To ponder upon certain things, and again, like they plan accordingly for other things in their life, right? Especially regarding their work. doing the same thing for making sure you're going to gym on days that you're supposed to, making sure your nutrition is on point. Again, planning is a very important aspect of it. And you have to kind of part ways with your ego.
You do, you do, you do. And you have to constantly challenge your belief systems. I always was of a belief that you mandatorily need rest days, right? Now look at where I am. I am on the day 135 with no rest, zero rest days.
Yeah, we should actually like go into your program a bit in the next session
Yeah.
or something, because it
Sure.
is important, because your mindset has shifted entirely from what it used to be to what it
Absolutely.
is now. So it would
Absolutely.
be an
Absolutely.
amazing podcast in itself, to be honest. So that
Great.
would be it for this podcast. And I am so
Great.
glad that we are able to do this finally. After the
Finally,
500,
finally, we
500
recorded what we usually
time.
talked about.
Exactly. Finally, we are able to record this. So I'm glad and very happy to be able to bring this. I'm pretty sure Prateek is as well. And I hope people get something out of it. And I really hope people are able to move forward in making India one of the most healthiest countries to be. I mean, the people of the country. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, on that note,
Absolutely.
this is us saying goodbye. For now.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
For now.